Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm gonna do this makeup look right here. This makeup is perfect if you want to transform your day makeup into a night makeup, like maybe a Friday night after work. So this look is a continuation of my previous video right here, which was a no foundation makeup look. If you haven't checked it out yet, then do check it out. Here is the link. If you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. So I'm taking my MAC Face and Body Foundation and I am applying it all over my face. And then with a beauty sponge, I'm going to blend it really well so that it looks seamless and it looks beautiful. So in this video, I did not wash my face because it's a day to night transformation makeup tutorial and I'm doing this makeup on top of whatever I applied on my previous video. Next, I'm taking my Bharat and Dorris loose powder and I'm baking my under eyes and dusting that powder all over my face to set my base. Then I'm swiping off the extra powder because the baking is already done. Then I'm taking this bronzer, this one is from the Body Shop, and I'm applying it in the crease of my eyes as a transition shade. Next, from my Maybelline the Nudes palette, I'm taking this brownie taupey shade and I'm applying it on the outer corners of my eyes and adding the color and deepening it up. So I'm going back and applying it again and again to add depth on the outer corners of my eyes. Then I'm flicking it out just a little bit so that the outer corner is a little bit more prominent. Then taking this beautiful gold with my fingers, I'm applying it in the inner half of my eyes. Now taking a clean blending brush, I'm going over my crease once again so that it looks really blended. Now taking this dark brown taupe kind of shade, I'm applying it in the lower lash line and my upper lash line really close to my lashes to give that smoky effect. Next, I decided to go back to my gold color and apply it all over my lids, just very little so that it gives a shine to my entire lid. Now taking this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black, I'm going to line my upper lash line and my lower lash line and also my waterline. And then I'm smudging it with my smudging brush. I'm so sorry that I don't have any footage of me applying this kajal on my lower lash line and my waterline. Next, I'm taking this contour shade and I'm going to contour my face. And then using the blush from the same palette, I'm going to put it on the apples of my cheeks. And then use the highlighter from the same palette. And this highlighter is beautiful, it is subtle. And I'm putting the highlighter on all the high points of my face, like on top of my cheekbones, my chin, the bridge of the nose, above my eyebrows, the brow bone area, and also the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I'm taking this lip pencil from StudioWest and it's a beautiful mauve shade and I'm going to line my lips and also fill my lips with this. And then taking this beautiful berry shade lipstick, I'm just going to fill my lips with it. Next, I'm putting mascara on my eyelashes. So this is the finished look and you're ready to go out, party with your friends, and this hardly takes a couple of minutes and looks gorgeous. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.